RCM2 got safety restraint system fault on a touch screen. So this is alert, and there could be of these. So recently we had one customer who got this alert, and he had some front end accident, and after the accident he repaired everything, and after repairing everything alert, and he was not able to find it out the exact cause of the alert. So he contacted us. We provided him remote diagnosis, and at the end of the remote diagnosis we found out the issue, and we provided him guidance to fix this alert, and he was able to fix this alert. So as I said, this is a general alert, and there could be a lot of reason for this alert. So if you have a look on our guide, you will find the way how to fix it, what could be the reason, different kind of service alert cost. Which is a carrepairservice.com, and here you will find all around Tesla repair services, and here you could find a lot of information about how to clear different Tesla alerts, or you could just write us on WhatsApp, and we will be happy to provide you support. How any alert, or if you have alert which says RCM, please have a look in my description and comment, and you will find the link. Please book this service, and once you book this service, we will be happy to provide you support to fix this alert. We help you. Thank you so much.